Hey guys, what's up? I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to be giving you an alert, okay, a major alert that Bitcoin is making a U-turn, okay. If we can see over here, right here, we can see Bitcoin was being oversold, okay. Basically, it reached the lowest band of the Bollinger Band, okay. The easiest explanation for Bollinger Band is that if the price moves above, okay, basically if the candlestick is above the moving average, which is the yellow line, that means it's going to be an uptrend, okay. It should be hitting. If it hits the right here, basically the topmost band of the Bollinger Band, it's being overbought, okay. Basically overbought, so you can expect a downtrend. The market would be going down, okay. And if it's over here on the last Bollinger Band, okay, if we see it right over here on the last Bollinger Band, we can see that it's being oversold, okay. Basically there's too many sellers of him, so we can expect an uptrend. And right now that's what's happening, okay. Right now we are seeing an uptrend right over here. If we can just put a trend line right over here, we can see there's a small uptrend, okay. We can expect small returns, okay, small profits right over here, and we can expect Bitcoin to hit, okay, its price right over here, which is at around 31,000, okay, the topmost level of the Bollinger Band. We can also use Bollinger Bands as support and resistance level, okay. So right now it's on a strong support and resistance because the MA or the moving average is right now for 20 days, okay. I've set it on the simplest, okay. This is my super simple strategy which I use, okay. We can use this line as a resistance level, okay, right over here, and we can use this as a support level right over here. So that's what I've been updating you guys with, okay. Stay tuned for the video, okay. You can expect Bitcoin to be going long, so make sure you go long, okay, or make your more analysis and then do it. So stay tuned for the upcoming videos.